Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss how an essay is organized, especially between paragraphs. We already know through the previous lesson that the basic function of an essay is to show that your opinion is logically true. To achieve this basic function, the essay is divided into three parts, which are introduction, body, and the conclusion. Actually, in normal case, we have three paragraphs of body. So body 1, body 2, and body 3. So the total number of uh, paragraphs in essay is minimum 5 paragraphs. Each part of an essay has steps that include an individual main topic and the relevant steps that support the main topic. How these steps are placed in each part can decide the logical flow of the writer's thoughts. Now let's see the specific steps of individual part of an essay. Introduction part has general statements and thesis statement as its steps. Body part has topic sentence and many supporting sentences for the topic sentence for its steps. Finally, conclusion part has summary and the final comment as the steps. By the way, I want you to understand that these specific steps are not fixed. It varies a lot, especially according to different types of essays, such as process essay, comparison contrast essay, and argumentative essay, and many more. So that's the reason why we're going to experience different types of essays in next lessons. Okay? Right. Despite the fact that these specific steps are not fixed, we have essential steps, which are thesis statement in the introduction part, topic sentence in the body part, and summary in the conclusion part. You'll see that these essential steps are colored red and underlined. As they are called essential steps, they should necessarily be present in each part of the essay. This is almost like a rule you need to keep. You need to make sure that these essential steps are placed within each part of an essay. Okay? Now, the systematic structure of an essay. Maybe this is one of the most important part of organizing an essay. Now, let's see what they are. First, thesis statement is divided into three topic sentences which express the writer's opinion in more specific ways. Second, this thesis statement is also repeated in conclusion part as a summary. I want all of you to remember this unique structure of an essay and make sure that this structure is maintained when you write an actual essay. Okay? Now we have the example of actual organization. Actually, I'm giving you the example of comparison contrast essay. So let's see how this essay is divided. Okay, the entire essay is divided into three parts, by introduction, by body, and finally by conclusion. And the specific steps for each part, the introduction has background and the thesis statement as its steps. Second, body part has topic sentence, contrast, evidence, and the main point for its steps. Finally, conclusion part has summary, recommendation, and prediction for its steps. As I have said, example is comparison contrast essay as an essay type. The specific function of comparison contrast essay is to explain how to do something or how something works. Also, it is a kind of an essay. It is meant to do its basic function, which is to show that your opinion is logically true. Okay, right. In this page, we have the summary of organizing an essay. First, we need to take note of that the essay is divided into 3 parts, which are introduction, body, and conclusion. And within each part, we have specific steps. Introduction has background and thesis statement. Body has topic sentence, contrast, evidence, and the main point. Finally, conclusion has summary, recommendation, and prediction. I need you to remember that all these specific steps of each part is based on the specific type of comparison contrast essay that we have just reviewed in the previous page. Okay, that means that these specific steps subject to change according to different types of essays. I also want you to remember that the essential steps are placed in each part of an essay. For example, thesis statement within the introduction, topic sentence in the body part, and summary in the conclusion part. And in terms of the systematic structure of an essay, we have witnessed that the thesis statement in the introduction part was divided into possibly in the 3 body parts, and the thesis statement was also repeated as the form of a summary in the conclusion part. So this is the way a piece of an essay is organized. And the way an essay is organized is meant to achieve the very basic function of an essay, which is to show that your opinion is logically true. Okay? I want you to remember all these characteristics of an essay organization and the basic function that can be achieved by this organization. And this is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you around for next lesson. Thank you. Bye.